Hi, lovelies. How are you? I hope you're good. Well, today I'm here to talk to good children. Are you among the good children? Yes, it's you, the children, who are good, and I'm speaking to today. My name is Habibah. I'm going to continue talking to you about mathematics. But today, guess what? We are looking at division. Okay? But before I continue, we said mathematics is all about practice. If I give you a certain thing and you feel, I have not understood this, keep practicing. Trust me, if you do practice, you'll be the best. You'll know it before you know it even. Well, today I want us to look at division. I hope you have ever heard of the word division in your top class and even in your P1. Am I right? Okay. Division. Actually, we do division every single day, every single minute, at home, everywhere. We practice division. Do you know how? I'm imagining you home, and then maybe they give you a sweet, and you have your little sister or your little brother, and you feel you want to share with them. What you're doing is division. Division also can be termed as sharing. Once you share, you are doing division, and we share in daily life, don't we? We share. If you have pencils and your friend doesn't have, you can share with your friend. Well, there are some words they use. Words like division, also words like share, words like distribute. These words are used to mean division. And the sign for division is this. Once you see this, you are dividing. Another thing I wanted to tell you is we cannot divide something small when you are giving it to so many people. Because when you're sharing in mathematics, you're supposed to be sincere. You don't favor anyone. Not because, oh, this is my best friend. You know why? She's my best friend, so I'm supposed to give her more than the other. No. You share equally. If you have 4 sweets and the people you're supposed to give are 2, please give them equally. Don't say, this is my best friend, so I have to give her some extra. This is bigger than the other, so I'm giving her extra. This is my mother, I'm giving her extra. In mathematics, we give equally. Okay? I have one example for you to see. I have this number. I have this number. 8 divided by 2. What is the answer? 8 divided by 2. So, normally, the small number is for the number of people to give. And the big number is for the number of objects to give those people. Okay? So, what I like to do is to draw these people. Of course, I'm not going to draw, the whole mom or the whole dad. I'm not going to draw the whole sister or the whole friend of yours. No, I might not be able to do so. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to imagine these are my friends whom I'm supposed to give. This is friend 1, this is friend 2. Remember, they told me to do 2. Are we together? So these are 2 friends. Keep in mind that the small number is normally after the operation sign, which is division, is for the people to give. And the bigger number, normally before the operation sign, is for the things you're going to give or for the objects. So I'm going to give 8. I'm sharing 8. I am distributing 8. I am dividing 8 with 2. All right? So these are 2. I'm giving them 8. Let's count together. 1. We said we are giving them equally. No favoring. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Was I fair? Yes. Did I favor anybody? No. Everyone was given equally. We shared equally. So we want to know, if you divide 8 by 2, what does each get? How many does each person get? what is the share? What does, how many does everybody get? Okay, so we are counting for individual person. So in order for us to avoid mistakes and what, we are going to be cutting out the shares or cancelling the shares. Straight, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we are going to be able to count the number of shares. The number of shares will be our answer. Okay? Are we together up to this time? All right. Let's count the number of shares we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4. Did everyone get 4? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, she got 4. And let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, even this one got 4. So I had 2 friends and I was told to give them 8. And I gave them 8. So everybody got 4. It is so simple. It is easy peasy. I have given them, once you know the number of people to get and the number of objects, you'll be good to go. This was example number 1. Let's look at example number 2. Example number 2, I have 2. Now let me make it bigger. I have 20 divided by 5 equals, we said the number after the operation sign is the number of people, or yes, the number of people who are supposed to get the shares, and then the number, the bigger number, normally before the operation sign, is the number of objects I'm supposed to give them out. All right? So 20 divided by 5. How many am I going to draw here? Yes, I know. Good. 5 is the number of people I'm going to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, and I'm giving them 20. All right? 1, 2, counting up to 20. We said no favoring. I suppose in mathematics, everything is supposed to be fair. You're supposed to be fair to these people. So I'm counting up to when I'll reach 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you counting with me? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then after, I count the number of shares. Okay? So I prefer doing this. That is the first share. Second share. This one helps us to check whether everyone got that share on that particular time you were giving. The first time you gave, everybody got. Second time you gave, everyone got. The third time I'm giving, you see, everyone got. Even here, everyone got. That means I did not favor anybody. So I'm counting the number of shares. 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer is 4. You see, I gave, there were 5 people. I first gave them the first time. I remained with some. Gave them the second time, third time, and fourth time, until when all my 20, maybe 20 oranges were used up. And then what I remained with was the answer. Well, if you practice, if you make such numbers, and you follow the procedures I've given you, trust me, you can do even bigger numbers. Okay? But if you just say, the teacher gave us only 2 examples and you see, she stopped there, I should also rest. You won't be able to work out, to do wonders. Would you like to do wonders? All right. If you want to do wonders, then continue making as many examples as you can. Create as many numbers as you can, and then work them out. All right? Work them out. It's okay. You can ask whoever is around you and say, is this right? Okay? You can also visit. You can watch me as much as you can, and be able to work out these numbers. I have a third example. Okay? I want you to pay attention. I have 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. So how many people am I drawing? Are we together? How many people am I drawing? Yes, I'm drawing 3 people. 1, 2, 3. And how many am I giving them? 12. Let's count until when we reach 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's count and see if everybody was getting the share by the time we are giving out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the answer? 4. Isn't that simple? Don't you think you can work out even the bigger numbers? I have a strong trust in you, and I believe you can do as many numbers as you can. I'm going to be sending some work in your Google classes, and I believe you'll find the activity there. But before I do so, you can create so many numbers. I always want you to do it. I want you to practice, because if you practice, it gets stuck in your memory. You will never forget it. Okay? I remain Nasa Habibah. I love you so much. Till we meet again. Bye-bye.